So I'll start with the buzzer round. Press the buttons of your buzzer and say the answer accordingly. If you give the right answer, 10 points will be awarded. In case if you don't give the right answer, you will be awarded negative 5 points. That is, your marks will be deducted by 5. So care should be taken while pressing the buttons of your buzzer. What color are a baby's eyes at the time of birth? Hekpok pada ngai riba angang aduki mitki machuzi karino. Anyway, this is blue. Your next question is, in which year did man first land on the moon? This is 1969. Next question set for all of you. Which planet is the fifth? Okay, B. Jupiter. Jupiter is the right answer. They have just opened their accounts by 10 points. The accounts hangre Team B. Team B is the students representing Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Yaralpat. Okay, thank you so much. Your next question is, what is 40% of 40? Once again, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Anyway, your time is up. Passes to the audience. This is 16. Your last question is, what is the color of octopus blood? KM Blooming Higher Secondary School. What's your answer?
Black.
Black. But this is blue. So negative 5 points to KM Blooming Higher Secondary School. 10 points to Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. This is the warming up round. I love you. Ado mathangi round da combine bhona biyo. So I'm just starting one second. Set the buzzer set to you. Okay, get ready. What is called the ore of cobalt? Cobalt ki ore se kari ko bage. Are you going to give the answer of this question? Anyway, any students in the audience? Cobalt ki ore se kanam to kumbid रहेगा. This is smellite. Your next question is, which element is called the quicksilver? Which element is called the quicksilver? No one is going to give the answer. This is mercury. Your next question is, Napoleon was suffering from the fear of which animal? B. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. What's the answer?
Spider.
Spider, but this is kids. And the fear of kids is known as ailurophobia. Your next question is, which animal can sink in water for the longest time? Which animal can sink in water for the longest time? Please. Anyway, the answer is elephant. Elephant na isingda lupase mana khwai matam yam kuina sang na me hai ko. Anyway, your last question is chemical name of laughing gas. Okay, KM Blooming Higher Secondary School. What's your answer?
Nitrogen. Yes.
Nitrogen gas, but this is nitrous oxide. So I think no negative point is given to them because they have tried at least something. So no point to them. Negative to period no see maru mo ekra nitrogen bhau dekra somlok taurim ne na ka suka anyway, but still you have scored negative 5 points in the previous round. The -5 phangre ko anyway. The first women to command a space mission. Anybody? Rupees 100 question. La. Rupa chama do yaw bor yaw do hana to yen ke. Chopo so farata. Komo kana ne.
Sunita Williams.
Sunita Williams. Are you sure? but this is alien Collins niko. Na lupa yang kaya mahan betare, wala luar ga ngana rasya koi ni. Negative, 50% negative phangman. Next question is the first women cosmonaut in space. B. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Hiro.
Valentina Tereskova.
Valentina Tereskova is once again full points. 10 points to Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. B. Team B the 10 points. Altogether they have scored 20 points. Leura. 15. Okay, anyway. What is the most common element on Earth? B. Once again, B. B. Anyway, I'm just skipping this question. Hydrogen. Hydrogen. Next question. The instrument used for measuring growth in plants. Anyway, law. Please come. So what's your good name? Microphone si am lick ne pira kare da koi da.
Everyone, my name is Ma'am Jeshri Devi from Madhuspai Academy, and the answer is crescograph.
Crescograph is the right answer. So give her a big round of applause. And this is another book, the Sardar Hanaming Tholiko. Masi Anglo-Manipur War of 1891 da. Manipur ga British ka sona khiba lan phom du da British and Reset pu phan da na ba hona ba ta chobo thodang lo khiba akoi ge pangal gi imung ama khak tum na hat khiba gi nungsi ba wari ni masi larik se aina khodol tamjari ado masi pa bi rega imale ba iram dam gi ngam thai ngang na ba hona ba da a chobo thodang lo bi ra kani haina sa tawjari thagat chari. Your last question is World Earth Day is observed on which day? The World Earth Day is observed on which day? Anyway, no negative point. Negative point later can try to win. You can try. Okay, PM Blooming.
April day 22.
April day 22 is the right answer. So, PM Blooming with 10 points. I think Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, they will move to the final. Final da Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya. And these two teams will receive the consolation prizes. Thank you so much.